Hello guys, welcome to another video of AC Tech channel. And in today's video, I will tell you how to turn off your activity status on Instagram. Well, it is quite simple and easy. So just follow the steps you have to open your Instagram. And second step is to visit your profile. From here, you do have to click on the top right corner where setting option is available. Scrolling down, you will see the option of message and story reply where you have to click. Now here you can see in who can see that you are online. There are two options, showing activities status, showing read receipts. You have to click on the first option. Here you can see my activity status is on, so anybody can see me which time and when time I was online. But if I off this option, then now nobody will be able to see whether I am online or not. Hope you like the video and find the solution of your video. Thanks for watching this channel.